Las Vegas is known for world-class entertainment, incredible restaurants, and over-the-top experiences. But what about vegan food? I made it my mission to find the very best plant-based restaurants the city has to offer. Here's everything I ate in Vegas, vegan edition. First stop in Vegas was Truth and Tonic, tucked inside the Canyon Ranch Spa at the Venetian. I started with one of their fresh smoothies, then ordered the avocado toast, topped with roasted tomatoes, creamy avocado, vegan feta, served alongside one of the freshest little salads I've had in a long time. I also couldn't pass up their giant veggie-packed frittata, loaded with fresh greens and bursting with flavor. Truth and Tonic is the best way to start your day in Vegas. Next up was Chikyu Vegan Sushi Bar, and this place completely changed the way I think about vegan sushi. I started with a nice warm bowl of miso soup, followed that by grilled corn. Then came the sushi, baby, from tomato and mushroom nigiri to colorful specialty rolls topped with fresh vegetables. Every plate looked like a work of art. If you're in Vegas and you think vegan sushi can't compete with the real thing, Chikyu might just prove you wrong. I had to find something to satisfy my sweet tooth. This local spot has been serving Vegas for years. And what most people don't realize is they have an incredible selection of vegan donuts. From classic glazed twists to old-fashioned sugar donuts to cream-filled, jelly-filled, over-the-top specialty creations, there were so many options to choose from. I grabbed a few favorites, and every bite was soft, fresh, and exactly what you want from a donut, vegan or not. If you got a sweet tooth, Ronald's is definitely worth the stop. Tacotarian is one of Vegas's most popular vegan Mexican restaurants, and it lives up to the hype. If you're craving authentic Mexican flavors made completely plant-based, Tacotarian is an easy recommendation. They've got 4 different house-made sauces on the side. Every bite tasted a little bit different. I started with a loaded burrito bowl topped with creamy avocado and all the fresh fixings. I couldn't leave without trying a few tacos, each one packed with its own unique flavorings and toppings. Then dug into a massive burrito served with Mexican rice, black beans, and a fresh side salad. It's fitting that I saved the best for last. Our Las Vegas food adventure wraps up with dinner at Saffron. From the moment I walked in, I could tell this was going to be a completely different experience. It feels elevated, memorable, and just shows you how far vegan dining has come. The atmosphere was beautiful, the presentation was incredible, every dish looked like it belonged in a fine dining restaurant. I started with roasted eggplant money bags, beet tartare, mushroom dumplings, handmade noodles, perfectly seasoned tofu, stir-fried vegetables, rich, flavorful entrees that just kept coming. Every plate was creative, beautifully presented, and packed with bold flavors. And of course, I couldn't leave without dessert, a rich slice of chocolate cake served with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. And a reminder that vegan dining can be every bit as luxurious, creative, and unforgettable as any restaurant in the city. As always, if you're looking for easy and delicious plant-based recipes, grab my free recipe pack. The link is in the description below. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I got more plant-based travel and food content coming your way.